Yes, I've seen two people that like the stream. We are here to react and to respond to some of the videos. In fact, one video in particular from those people that are from the other camp. You know what I'm talking about. Yes, that reminds me. Yesterday, somebody who told me that PM recognized me, but I'm yet to receive the video evidence. Like I told him to share the link. I would like to see that before I can say what I wanted to say. But without wasting much of your time, we are going straight to the program. So today we have this video from the other people, which I wanted to respond yesterday. I wanted to react to that on our late hour broadcast, but unfortunately the video couldn't respond to my own wish. Like I would like to play the video and pause it, play and pause. You understand? But it was not like that because they were streaming it that yesterday, and I feel like this video is old video because or let's see if the person, the guy in question, made a mistake or the date he called, he said April 2023, whereas we are in April 2024. You understand what I'm saying? But whether it is old or new, there's something I want us to discuss about that video. In case if you don't know who I'm talking about, I'm going to flip the camera so that you know the person from the other camp. Now let's look at it. So this guy broadcast is what we are going to do some reaction on that because what they do, what they have in common is that whenever they open their mouth, they have this talent to say something that will make you go, wow, did he say that? You know what I mean? So when imagine somebody of his age to say something that we even a child of 12 years, a child of 10 years, we say, uncle, please, you are wrong. But they don't care. That's one thing, they don't care. So please, as we are going, through this live broadcast, I expect you to like the video, and I expect you as well to comment so that I know who is here with us. I think I don't know why my screen, the text seems to be very small. Let me use the other device. Just give me some minutes so that I'll be able to get the. Okay, Armstrong is here. I said it. Armstrong is here because I know that one of my one of us is here, but I couldn't see your name properly from the device I'm using at the moment. So I have to use another device to see you. Armstrong said, "Hi, good morning. Good morning to you, Armstrong. How is your weekend going? Happy Saturday. Yeah, I believe you're on Saturday or Sun. Is this Saturday or Friday? I don't know. Uh, Isaiah Yoruba, Isaiah Yoruba Ekerima. Yeah, Diana said that he's a taxi driver. So Diana called him a taxi driver. Everybody, many people have different name for this guy because they are the one that expose themselves. They bring this kind of thing. People have cold feeling for you because of your attitude. It's not that you hate them or maybe you are wired to hate them or something like that. No, it's not. It's not at all. So, okay, Saturday, yeah. So I know you are in US, right? Or I forgot where you said to me you are. Are you in US or Canada? I wanted to ask you about the WrestleMania. Anyway, we are going straight to the program. We are going to start the program. Um, this guy, this guy, this guy. About three of his broadcasts now that I managed to watch. Okay, Canada. Oh, nice to hear. Okay. Sorry about that. I wanted to ask you about the WrestleMania if you are going there or something like that. Okay, this guy in question, he few of his video that we have watched. Okay, I don't know him, to be honest with you. For me to see him for the first time is on a PM page. PM just shared. Even this broadcast, PM they have already shared cut where he made, because they always make nonsensical comments. So PM just shared some few seconds of part of this video, which, yeah, I have seen that as well. But when they were streaming yesterday, I I stumbled into that video. I stumbled on that video. I decided to mark it so that I will broadcast on it. I wanted to broadcast on it immediately, but like I said, the Twitter. I don't know if it's happened to other people. For me to pause video on Twitter, if they're streaming live, you can't pause and go back and go forward and go. No, you can't do that. Once you pause and you want to play again, it will continue where the live stream is playing. It's not going to stop where you pause it. So that's why I said, okay, let me allow them to finish yesterday. Then today we come into do justice. And another reason why we are live at the moment is because fundraising is coming very, very soon. So today is fundraising. I believe so. Yes, I believe so. Today, I think today, or is it today? Let me check. Let me check. Fundraising, every weekend there's fundraising, and we need to respect that. I wouldn't want to be live when they are doing fundraising. It doesn't make any sense. So, um, okay, fundraising will be on 6. Yeah, I said it today. So, in a few hours from now, the fundraising will commence. So, what I need you to do in this live broadcast is, like I said, put your comments. Tell me what you think about what we are discussing. Make it an interactive live broadcast, and tell me where you're watching. If you have not subscribed for the first time, please try and do that. Subscribe is free. Subscribe to the platform, subscribe to our channel, and like this video so that others will join us as we move forward. Now, I am not going to waste much time. Let's start. Let me know what you're saying. Just a moment.
Yeah, to also to reiterate
Frank,
the mindset.
Frank Chiku said, okay, fundraising is much later. Yes, I know it's much later, but I don't want to, because sometimes when we are live like this, you think that you are only streaming for 20 minutes. You don't know that you are heading to 2 hours. So I don't. That's where how I feel. Sometimes if you are discussing, we don't know that the time is fast approaching. Now, Frank Chuku said, Chuka said, I greet you from. Okay, I greet from me to you, sir. Happy weekend. Frank is chatting from Lagos. Zoo, thank you for coming again today. Frank, I see you. Thank you so much, Frank. You are watching from Lagos State, Nigeria. Okay. Let me bring this video on. Let me bring it on.
The mindset of the leadership, what they are doing. Don't think we are quiet. We are working behind the scenes, making sure that everything is delivered. Recently, now you saw the UN presence in Biafra land. How do you think that happened?
Hold on. You don't start from that place. Start again. I want us to hear where he mentioned that they're working. They're working. That they don't think that we don't see what you are doing. Don't think that we don't see all of you. That we are working behind the scene. So we already know that they are working behind the scene, and we know what it means to work behind the scene. No. Okay, let's see.
We have to get them acquainted so that they will not fall into back to the enemy that created the zoo. This is exactly what we are doing. This is exactly what we are doing. We are not here to antagonize anybody. We are not here to bully anyone. We are not here to warp sentiment among our people. We are here to pass message and educate our people so that we won't continue in this type of mess we are in, where somebody will wake up in the morning because you are an Igbo man, because you are a Biafran, you'll be killed without anybody questioning the reason why someone's life was taken. So, and we don't want a Biafra that we will restore. After a couple of months, then the enemy will find their way as they are doing now. Look at what is happening now. This is exactly what they will do when Biafra will come. Mark my word, and we need to prepare our people for this. Without it, once Biafra is restored, then there will be another ridiculous.
Please, I hope the voice is audible enough. Please, I want someone to confirm. So I will not be playing and hoping that everybody is listening. Although we are not much in this live broadcast yet, this is 11 minutes of the broadcast and we managed to have only 16. It's quite poor. But be it as it may, we are going to continue. Um, I want you to confirm, for me that his voice is coming out clearly. I would just want people to do that. Okay, very clear. Armstrong, you are kind. Thank you.
Internal war, which we will not condone. These enemies are fighting very hard, and of course, this is what we expected, and to see them doing. So for us who are long enough in this movement, we understand their trend, and we remain in our trenches waiting. So, but those who have not really seen how the enemy operates is who we are educating at this very moment, and very importantly, our media warriors. I know why I'm talking about them recently, because sometimes when things are happening, they will be asking, where are the leadership? Are they not seeing everything all of you are doing? Everything.
Just pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. Please, guys, just give me a moment. Give me a moment. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that. I have to respond to a message. Okay, let's continue. But I want you to pay attention on what you're about to say now. Pay very good attention.
All of you are doing it. If you're an IPOB member, whether you're doing it in the secret, we all see it, and we have record of them. So take note of that from today.
Don't think that we did not see what you are doing, that we, the leadership, are taking note of everything that everybody is doing. Don't think that we don't see you, that we are taking note of everything, all the activities of everybody. That's what when he's talking about their DOS leadership. These people they really think that sometimes I wonder if they really think that everybody's brain is in their pocket or something like that. When they're talking, they're trying to you know delay in our connectivity. So he was trying to tell you that you should be careful, like as a father warning a child, you should be careful that we are monitoring you, we are seeing your activities and all that. These people don't. They don't. One thing they don't know is that they don't know their level. You don't know that your presence and your so-called leadership and others. It doesn't mean anything to anybody. I wish they understand what how people will, perceive them. And let me allow him to continue.
If you think the leadership are not seeing every activities of individuals the way you're doing it, that means you don't know you know who you are dealing with. The leadership knows every activities of.
You don't know who you are dealing with. They know every of activities. The only thing, maybe you people have time to pay attention to people's comments. No, I'm not talking about broadcasting like me, like as I'm doing now. I'm talking about in comment section. So you have time because you idle. You will have, imagine PM paying attention, spending his time to read people's comments to know who is against him or not. Even nobody, if you actually mean good, that you are out for freedom and out for the people, you don't have time for nonsense. You should keep yourself busy doing something that will enhance the freedom of Biafran and something that will, bring something, good for people, Biafran people. Diana is here finally. I was talking about you, Diana. Frank Chuku said, yes, it's coming out okay. Diana said, good afternoon. Good afternoon to you. Erin is here. Greeting to Kai and all Biafran. Please hit the like button and share the message. Go viral. Frank Chuku said, but who is this man talking? Who is this man talking now? He's one of the. Okay, Armstrong have also has we have mentioned his name. His name is Oba. The Oko Ayola for Oba. Kruma said, all help Biafra, thumbs up and share the message, go viral. Uh, Freeman, you are here. Wow, Freeman, nice to have you. Good afternoon, bro. Good afternoon to you, Freeman. Happy to see you all. Happy to see you. We are just starting. We are responding. We are reacting to this guy, Oba. I love it when they show their level of reasoning and how poor they can perform. I love it. I love it. Freeman said, "Happy weekend, Biafrans. Happy weekend to you, Freeman." Okay, let's continue. Let's continue.
Every individual acting the way they are acting, and but what we are promising our people this very moment, this time, we are not going to leave anyone behind, not even an ant. We are not going to leave anyone behind. We're going to make sure we carry everybody along. We're going to make sure that we're not going to leave anybody for the enemy to destroy. This is why somebody like me is coming here to also to reiterate the mindset of the leadership, what they are doing. Don't think we are quiet. We are working behind the scenes, making sure
We're walking behind the scene. Just pay attention.
that everything is legal. Recently, now you saw the UN presence in Biafra land. How do you think that happened? We don't take glory of what we do not do. I want you to go to my Twitter. Do you see the power of Twitter that we ask you always to go and?
Now, before you start praising yourself, he said that don't think that that DOS, the leadership, they always want to. They remind me of Buhari's regime. Instead of them to say, Mr. President said that, what we'll be hearing is the presidency, presidency. Not that Mr. President said. When you say president, that means plural. It is in a plural form. Many, the presidency or the leadership as many. Can you pick one of them and tell us what that person have done? Like you here, the only reason why you are making the broadcast is to remind people that don't worry that don't complain that you are not seeing our work. Don't complain that we are not talking. No. Don't complain that you are not seeing us, making waves, doing something like Ekberema is doing, trying bringing Biafran to Biafrans, making that like Ekberema is bringing Biafran to people. He's opening this liaison office, and people are on that. People, everything that he's doing is very transparent. People can see his work. People can see what he's doing. People appreciate everything he's doing. Don't worry. Don't bother about us. We are underground. We are working. We are putting something. We are underground. Don't worry. No, and we do not try to peep to know what you are doing underground. No. Don't come underground also. We are meant to be underground. Your own is to be on surface. Wait until we come. Don't ask us when are we coming out. No, don't ask us what are we doing. How is our work going underground? That is not your business. Now, do you know one of his achievements now? That there's a UN presence in There's UN presence in Biafran land. Now, what does that has to do with Biafran freedom? Or what can you just tell us the benefit of the so-called UN? Because I don't even know that the UN is in Biafran land. So imagine if they are there for something spectacular, something so special, then why is the evidence and of their presence is very very low that people don't even notice what you're talking about. I like me, this I am only hearing it from your mouth that UN is in different land doing what? Supervising I have army buying people in Okoma village, or are they there to ginger Nigerian government to keep on detaining Mazen Ogano, torturing him in DSS? What is the place of UN, United Nations? And these people, for you to know the kind of brain they have, they don't know that United Nations is also is politicized. That thing that you are looking for, you have to do the politics that is involved. You are not attached to any single government in the world. You are not even no senator of any all these world powers is in touch with is attached with you people. People don't even have anything. When you claim that you write to United Nations, you wrote to them secretly and from underground. And I don't know if United Nations is working underground also like them, that they send their letters, underground. They send the letter to them through from the underground. Then the United Nations will receive the letter from them underground as well. Then United Nations is working on that letter they send to them that they receive, the United Nations receive. They are working on it underground also. So DOS have succeeded in dragging United Nations down to underground. So United Nations is now bringing you Biafra underground, though not the underground. They are not underground, and don't think that if you are talking about DOS, they are seeing you, they are monitoring you. So be careful. For some of you that are laughing at them, you need to be careful because they are watching you. This is a message from them.
Wait to retweet what we're doing. Go to my Twitter of 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Just go there at Isaiah Oba Official or Maz Oba Official. Just go there and look at what I tweet. And we don't.
Now he's looking for followers on Twitter. You should go and look for him. What if you are in live broadcast, right? Why don't you summarize what you tweeted? Just summarize it. Don't tell us to go. Don't tell people, okay, go to my Twitter handle. That is somebody who is looking for follower. I will say, like as I'm live now. It's of me to tell you that on my that there's a comment that I made on my Facebook page, and what for you to know that comment that I made. No, go to my Facebook page. That means I just want you to give me engagement on my Facebook, because I am here. I can also still tell you the same that post that I made on my Facebook. I can still tell you here. It's better that you swallow your pride and tell people, please go and follow me on my Twitter. Go there and follow me. Go and watch what I post. All this is people, they really think that they can maneuver everybody. Not everybody. And the reason, like I keep on saying, don't hate anybody. I'm not talking because nobody's sending me no. But we need to tell ourselves the truth. If it's good, if Biafran freedom is achieved, I will benefit. So if they keep on delaying it and sabotaging it, I will be the one also. I will also receive the reward, which is not good for me and my family. So why will I shy away from calling a spade? Because they don't like it when you say that what they're doing is wrong, and the same people also want you to listen to them. Whatever they say stand. And another thing they always say that baffles me is that you have to obey the leadership. Formerly, they said what they normally say is you must respect the structure. Maximum cannot be the structure. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu kwa sị na ọkwụrụ ada akarị onye kụrụ ya. Ọkwụrụ ada akarị onye kụrụ ya. If Mazen cannot build that structure, why is that structure now acting as if they are more superior than Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? Why is it that? The same Masakano that built the structure told you to allow PM to broadcast in on Radio Biafra. Few of you that call leadership said no. That alone is a red flag for me. Even if I want to respect from US, that thing alone is a no-no for me. I'm not saying that I'm fighting for PM. PM is the work he can fight for himself. Why would I? PM don't even need anyone to fight for him. You can see now. Our own is to now we they calm him down now. What are you talking about? What case look in terms of any ramification? Where would we start? You know, as if you hold life and death. People need to sometimes I wonder what is giving these people strength. You know, that you every now and then you keep on talking from both sides of your mouth without making use of your brain, even for a second, just for a minute. You on your how many minutes? Oh, I think this broadcast, this video here is almost 6 hours. What I'm saying here, but when 90% of this black broadcast is lie, black propaganda, nothing, no meaning. When the thing that people, the only the message that people want to hear, your target, your plan, what you want to achieve, they will tell you, don't worry, just follow us. Just follow us, listen to us. Then it's okay. Now, listen, tell us, let me sit down and listen to this broadcast. Maybe somehow you will not tell me all this that I've been longing for, those that I've been waiting to hear. Now, since we are live, I will hear. You'll be hearing, Ekperima started that they planted Ekperima. Nigeria government they put Ekperima. And he moved from Ekperima to now he's working with people of them. Oh, now he's working with Tinubu. Some, like I said, I pity our brain cells. When you are listening to this kind of nonsense, you are waiting to pick one vital information to even know what they really want. Never. At that moment, they will tell you, just follow us. Listen, wait for the leadership. Wait for leadership. He is a part of the leadership. Oh. Don't so you don't get it twisted because you may think that he don't want to say it because he's not in a position to say that. No, he is part of the leadership. Guru is part. All of them, they broadcast, but after having the meeting, just like a court, all these courts, secret courts, they will to showcase their cars and their wealth, and then go back behind the scenes, start doing what they do. Let me continue. Okay, before then, let me see conversation. Frank Chuka said he should tell us what the UN is doing in Lebanon. Yeah. No, Frank, you are looking for problem. Oh. Don't ask that. You are not in US now? No, don't ask that. The only thing you need to do is to obey. Then you tell me, is that not slavery? Your own is to obey. Don't ask questions. Frank said, you are not obedient followers. So. Freeman said, from underground, what did he say in Twitter? What he said on probably that Ekperima is taking over. Ekperima, I want to do this. What again do you want him to say? Can they write just a note, just a paragraph, without seeing Ekperima inside? There is no way, because that is what give the traffic. That's what pushes the traffic. Forgetting that you are talking to Biafrans, and Biafrans don't want to know way forward, what you have. You don't just talk blah 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 for no reason. Hmm? So that is it. That is it. Um, Nzia, Nzia said all hail Biafran Bizakai. Freeman said for sure. You are saying the truth, bro. Thank you, thank you. Armstrong said the structure has collapsed. The structure has collapsed, and we are fighting. Freeman said we are fighting for him too. Obato, yeah. We are, fighting for PM. PM don't see. I don't want to use the word fighting for him. Mhm. You are not like me. I'm not fighting for PM. You know why? Because he don't even need help. God made him very very strong, very very strong, and I don't think he need. Or you are fighting for yourself. Like me, I'm fighting for myself. I'm fighting for my freedom as well. Biafran is not a PM private business. That's why everybody must put hand together and assist in the little way you can. Like today is fundraising. You don't need to wait until you have $1,000. Any amount you contribute, you understand? Any amount you start from that. If you are good in broadcasting, you can do it. You can share message, retweet. There are many ways you can support. Don't wait until you have everything before you can contribute. Just like what Master Kano said in the past, I could remember when he I think he that was in US. Yes, he went to US and he was telling the friends that we need to start paying $1. Everybody, no matter how much you have, if you add more fine, but the minimum is $1. The same people like these people that always want to make profit from freedom. You are fighting for freedom and your target is what you gain. These are the kind of people that if you give them money to go and supply tin or to buy tins of gravel, they will buy something like 50 and they write they bought for 500 because they want to make profit. Diana said, when a moronic person is talking trash, thinking everyone is as stupid as they are, what do you expect him to say? The more he speaks, the more he confuses himself. Foolish and stupid man. Honestly. Yeah, that's why I said you have to prepare check your health first before you listen to that program. Because if you pay attention to what they're saying and what they really want you to understand, you will look like you feel weak. Freemasonry, command and control, my dear. That's the language they want. Command and control. In this 21st century, we are commanding and controlling people. You need to make sense for people to take you serious. Meme Kano wrote him to stop attacking Simon. Yes, he said it also in this broadcast. I think we are getting there. If we, I don't think we are going to play all his video, but few of his comments is what I want to pick. Okay, few of the comment his comment is what I don't want to play. I feel bored of doing that. But did he respond to that? Did he accept? Did he even listen to that? The answer is no. And I wonder why American and Martin family still think that these people are holding anything for them. I don't think Biafran should see everything that Martin need to get Biafra is already available. The only thing that he need that is his freedom if he really want to continue. I'm not saying that it's a must, okay? He have the choice to make. You don't force him to do what he don't want or what he wants. So he started this, without anybody forcing him. So I don't think it's why it is a right. It will be right for people to push him to do what he don't want to do or what he wants. They allow him to make a choice. But everything that he will have been asking for, I believe. I'm not saying I'm 100% sure, but I believe those things are available now in the quantum that he will enjoy it. To be honest with you, those stress and go for on about before all those things has come to an end. The reason because people who really want the freedom is now in the system, and some of us, are talking now because we are tired of listening to these people going back and forward. Like if you see the title of this video, uh, you will tell if you understand what I mean. The title I said, Are you one of those that use reverse option to chase freedom? Instead of you to progress, you choose to use reverse. the option that will bring you back. That's what you want to use to chase freedom, and you know your freedom is ahead. You need to move forward, but you look around and all you could do is to press the button, reserve button, and to you, you are chasing freedom. It doesn't work that way. You must tell yourself the truth. Um, Richard said, yes, Armstrong, the idiot, was warned not to attack our PM, but he refused. He refused because, just like all of them, they are so bitter, not because of Biafra, they are so pained because PM is actually their prayer point. Like, when this kind of thing, when you are praying to be a billionaire, you are praying to become a billionaire, and you want, when you are praying to become a billionaire, and somebody that you are looking down on, you have been looking down on that person. It has been announced a billionaire, that he's now a billionaire. Everything, you can see his wealth, you can see his, everything is not going well with him. Hmm? And that thing that person is actually what you have been praying for. We want to have what he has. We want to be what he is. So if you don't have any spirit of God in you, next thing that will take in you is envy and jealousy. You become jealous, you become envious of that person. You don't want anything. In fact, you'll be wishing that person bad. That's exactly what is happening to them. Most of them don't have any. If you tell them, what can you point to one thing that Simon Ekpa PM have done to you? Just tell us. Now we want to have your time. We are paying attention now. We are listening to you. Tell us that thing that you don't like, that is so painful for you to bear, about this young man that you are calling a criminal this way. What has he done? He's a criminal. Okay, you say, okay, now you keep on saying he's a criminal. Can you tell us what and what that this guy has stolen from you? Like, did he take any of your money, or did you make a contribution that he siphoned that? They will they will not have anything to tell you. They don't have anything to tell. The only thing that will give them, that annoy them so much, is, like I said, PM is actually what they want to be. They want to be like him. The way he talk is how they wish to be talking. The way he commands and people listen and follow, that's what they really want. The way he call for fundraising and people contribute, that's what they want. But one thing they forgot to, they don't know, they don't want to pay attention at, is when people contribute money, okay, PM use that money to the surprise of many of us. Do you know some of us are aware of what the personally are using? Like, if you don't even know, go and ask you the price. Hmm? And their safety is more secure than what you used to know. Where will I start counting? Where? But they don't know that Biafrans are paying attention. Those ingredients that we just mentioned now is what Biafrans are holding on, to support PM. That he said, just like when you give somebody the benefit of doubt, and that person prove himself beyond every reasonable doubt. Of course, you give your 100% trust on that person. And when that 100% trust have been given to PM over and over again, and he don't misuse it. He did not say, okay, now I have gained my brand, let me hit them, give them what they want. He did not. He still keep on working hard more than he used to. If you think that he would land here, he was there. He was there. He hit him back, hitting it back to back.
Don't just talk. Just go there and look at what I tweet. Not knowing that when we are doing some of these things, you think people are not watching, people are not listening. Just go there, because if I just begin to say it, you think that maybe we are trying to praise ourselves. No.
Exactly.
We want to tell you.
No. Thank God you use your mouth and confess it. That's what you're doing. You're only trying to praise yourself, trying to give yourself recognition. Hmm? That's what you're doing. Like I said, you don't make yourself a king. There's no king in this world that crown himself. Or you just wake up and from your bed and wash your face and brush your mouth, wear your clothes, take shower and all that, and go to market and purchase a crown and you put it on your head and you expect people to be certain Igwe, Ezebiligwa. That's what you want. You have to wait for people to crown you king. You are the one telling people this, and that. Have you seen PM to beg people to do this? Go and watch what I tweeted. Even Masakan have not done that. What they will tell you is to retweet whatever they put, they tweet. Please retweet because they want the message to go to get to people. Because the more you are pushing it, you are tweeting, the algorithm will trigger. The platform like Facebook, YouTube, once you are clicking the like button and sharing, the video will go get to many more people. You are helping the channel by doing so. That's what it means. And your own is you are not even able to go and not to go and read what you post because you want to get like. You know that you did not post anything. That's why if they follow you, if they follow you just within 1 hour or 30 minutes, they won't follow you back because you have what are you going to talk? Who will like to listen to that kind of nonsense if not your colleagues?
The power of what we're doing. Once we ask you to stop, you stop. Once we ask you to move, you move. We don't want.
Did you hear that? Follow us that when you ask to stop, you stop. When you ask to move, you move. So your freedom is in their hand. And these are people that want to give you your freedom. They will first of all and collect the little one you have and put it in their hand and tie it. And for you to have freedom, you have to submit the one you have. Just like what they wanted to PM to do. And before you broadcast in the radio Biafra, you have to submit your platform. Nagini business. As if the platform is the mouth to PM that the mouth PM will use to broadcast. If not that you are criminal minded. What does his private platform has to do with broadcasting on radio Biafra? How many of you that are broadcasting on that radio Biafra? How many of your profile or account that you build have you that you that you submit? How many of them did you submit before you start broadcasting on radio Biafra? Some of you don't even have 500 followers on Facebook. Before that, you started chatting on writing on Facebook on social media on radio Biafra. First of all, you hide your identity, you hide your real name, you hide your image, you hide where you come from, you hide your everything, and you are in the history of Biafran freedom. This set of people are the only people that are very, very inquisitive to know. They are very eager to know where you come from, your real name, your picture, your video, your voice. They want to know everything about you. But they themselves will first of all hide their own, hide everything, make sure that then they'll from the hiding place because they did not start this underground work to them. They started this from day one, from get go. When the Masakan was here broadcasting and preaching, most of them that follow Masakan they were hiding behind the camera. They were hiding because they know what they will do. Even Nigerian government is not against broadcasting. I don't think they are. That's why all
Come back, come back. Talk from experience. Now, the reason why I'm here once again is to make sure that some of
Yes, the video is frozen because of
our media warriors don't fall for the trap.
Is he okay now? Is he okay now?
Don't let them use your head. They will.
Okay, let me go to the comment section before we continue. Wow, we have a lot of comments that I've not gone through. One I've gone through, Armstrong said, okay, Armstrong said they have been all relegated to the background. Yes. Freeman said he is far from them and what they he is far from them and what they don't know is bigger than them. Exactly. You're talking about PM, yes. Owen Pala said, thank you so much, brother. I think Chie said, greetings to everyone. Greetings to you, Chie. How's your weekend? Freeman, yes, of course. Richard said they are very angry because the money for their container business is no more coming. Oh my goodness. Biafran have seen these people. They, we don't see them. We don't see their eye finish. Happy May, Happy May, sister. How are you? Happy May. Please, who is this? Who is this West Abi? West Abi Hitler. Uh, this Happy May say, who does he think he is talking to? Okoko people. We move. Please, my people, continue to vote for Biafra. Thank you. Thank you, Happy May. One of us. Freeman said, Ikenga is not like kerosene. And Ifeanyi Oba said he has Abakaliki jazz and Eku, I can't pronounce this is your Igbo language. Please, I'm from trying to explain to me what we mean here. Diana said they are pained is that PM, their pain is that PM Samarepa blocks their source of income because they are all sharing the money contributed by reference liberation uh, between themselves thieves in leadership position. I pity Maziman Lukan honestly. Imagine what Maziman have been dealing with. My goodness. Peter said we are following them to have ECN over to okay, you mean ESM. Let's see, it's not ESM. To governor, mad people everywhere. Your video is frozen. Good now, okay. The net, it's from internet. It's from the internet. I believe so.
Always come like they are with you. They want to use the so-called Christianity that have been in our DNA to propel their egoistic or egoism, however you pronounce it. They are going somewhere. Now, let me say this. This is exactly how Ekpelima came.
Now pay attention. This is where
This is how Ekpelima came.
okay.
He started streaming the broadcast of Onyendu. Do you remember when the Facebook do watch party? Do you remember? Some of you who are old in this. Do you remember when Facebook do watch party? Ekpelima will tag Onyendu be doing watch party, attracting traffic. IPOB, this guy could be it. Immediately they forgot the statement this idiot made when he came from Mado. was taught a little bit lesson as a brother. Now, if you look at what is happening, if you take Gremado now, some of those people who
You see how he skipped that comment that he said he made. He don't want to mention that. Then he also don't want to don't want to discuss about the watch party he was talking about. He was talking about. For me, I did not even notice PM on through Facebook. It was on his YouTube, and he grew that YouTube for the level that is well where to do that. Most of them are unable to grow their YouTube half of what PM did. PM built that YouTube. That YouTube was a kind of a mega platform. That was why he used that YouTube to host our leader Muslim Mechanic. Back then, none of them have such platform, have such audience. Even Mazen did not recommend PM because he wanted to recommend anybody, but because of the good work of PM, which none of them were able to do. But it is very easy to blackmail and do propaganda, especially cheap one. But unfortunately, you are dealing with people who have been around for years. Had it been that you are dealing with people who just joined the Afghan movement, probably when they kidnapped Mazamekan or few months before they kidnapped Mazamekan. But somebody who have been following the event since 2010, 2011, 2013, 2014, you cannot manipulate that kind of person easily. It's not possible. So sometimes they don't know what they're
are condemning IPOB because I told you take Gremado, Lowebi in a Jews out here. Come back, by in a jet. Who's had the party here? They said IPOB in Nam, the kind of Putan.
You see the reason why I don't take him serious. He's trying to make problem of Ike Kuremadu today as if there's what Ike Kuremadu committed is because he don't want to listen to Biafra, or he don't he or he don't he did not do what or he have done something different from what other politicians have done. The only problem is that happened that Ike Kuremadu is where he is today because he want to you know give we all know about his daughter's health and how they want to do transplant and all that. Ike Gwarmadu was not caught through maybe FBI or maybe maybe he have this kind of money laundering case. No, he have already done what he have done to our people by all the money allocated for Enugu on the expressway, Enugu to Port Harcourt, all these things, he siphoned the money. It is very, very clear. But his problem did not come from that. Now he want to make it look as if they told him that your daughter will be sick. Don't go to UK, and he did not listen. That's a different case. What puts Ike Ramadan to where he is today has nothing to do with what this guy is talking about. Is Ike Kuremadu a corrupt politician? Of course, very, very corrupt. And the problem he have now is it because of the money laundering or anything that we all know that he have committed in Biafran land? It just says no. But they want to take glory of everything that happened. Just like their favorite lawyer. If by special grace of God, Mazakan is being released now. Do you know that these people will jump? They will start telling you, no, that they are the one that work behind the scene to release it. I know. That one will still come. They will never. They would like to take the glory of the lawyer who managed to, do the needful to release it. They are not going to give the glory to the lawyer for what? For what? Uh, Armstrong saying, okay, Happy message, cry us a river. Exactly, my sister. What have you done by yourself? MNK was also MNK was also in one Nigeria. So is every one of us. Freeman said, I know someone far back. Exactly. President Wachiko said, hi Kai. Kai report, good afternoon from my end. Good afternoon to you. Good work, good job. God bless you. God bless you. God bless my dear brother. God bless you too. Amen, amen, amen. God bless all of us. Freeman said, why is he beginning to, why is he bringing Ike Koramado here? Exactly. Because he want to take the glory. He want to tell you that, that normally once they give you advice, once they tell you that this will happen, it will happen. Because, they don't understand, they don't even care to know their audience, like to understand the level of people that follow you, the level of people that listen to your video. People, you cannot just come out to you are doing broadcast without knowing the people that watch you, what they want, or what they believe on. You are talking about the Kuremadu. Like, well, this our brother, what he asked, and Freeman asked. What he's talking about, what he's talking now is totally different from what does it have to do with what he's talking here? You want if he's just let me. There's a place he's mentioned about Samuel Ekpa working for Ike Ekweremadu before he now working for. Do you know that at this point in time that these people still believe that PM is working for our Nigerian government? Ike Ekweremadu. After seeing the list the Nigerian government brought out about the wanted how want, they still believe that you will listen. And he lives in Europe. Oh. This is not that he don't tell me it's not as if that he's in somewhere in village that he don't know what is happening. Now, wow.
What we did to Ike Ekweremadu, isn't it brotherhood, brotherly, Ibakananti, than what happens to him now? Ihe anyị mere Ekweremadu, ọwọwụhụ brotherlyhood Ibakananti. Lohuo, let's go, come back. Ndị a ga-eme milakwa gị. Don't be an instrument to destroy your own people.
There is no comment, no such warning ever. Not even Masagana have not given such warning, such preaching, such teaching to Ike Ekweremadu. But he will cook up this thing to make it look like that they have been warning Ike Ekweremadu for a long time. That this is what they normally do because they are the only group that can see future. Once they predict it happen. Abracadabra.
These fools know here now go easy everywhere now. IPOB, hold here now. The same Ndiara will push you. Hold your politicians accountable. Hold them accountable. When we try to hold our own accountable, a whole Senate president, why IPOB have done this? And I go and say, we know our people, we know how to talk to them. And I wake up with a mother low ever in Nigeria. What I why and she welcome low, in the zoo yoyi with see I welcome low. Though I not what aqua. You will say I welcome Aqua man I brought here. You know with us. Than ever in Aganda gave me today. And when I born now. This is where he kept with mother. None of you is even campaigning for his release. None of you. Who know check what IPO be very good. Some of you forget, yeah,
And another thing is that why is it that they always want to name themselves IPOB and others are just them? You are working in a leadership as you call yourself, and you don't even know the meaning of IPOB. So, like what you said now, unlike IPOB Kuenka on what? Who is IPOB and who is not IPOB? Who is if had it been that you said US, then I would say okay, you are talking about a particular group. But IPOB is not limited to one particular individual or group of people. As long as Biafra is concerned, when you're talking about IPOB, you're talking about Biafrans. That's what it means. Whether they believe in Biafran freedom or not, they are all Biafrans. So you can now treat their fuck up based on their actions and their belief. But they are Biafran before that your decision.
Ike Premadu was the one that employed Ekperima with the APC and PDP and all the rest of them. Then is Jagaban and Hosea Ike up immediately. Lai Mohammed said, nah, they employed what Gowon said. If I know that Igbo people love money, I know everybody love money now. Even Fulani, they love money more than Igbo people. Don't you see what they are doing in the zoo? They said, if we know that in the Igbo love Rego, he would have not spent one bullet to fight the war of 1967. He would have paid an Igbo man to go and bring Ojukwu and kill him for him. They found that mantra on Ekperima. They used him. They used him. We came here, we talked to some of you. Now, this guy is fake. This guy is fake. Onyendu sibling, I will talk about him. Or not now. He sent me a message not to attack Ekperima against his own brother. He prefers his brother to be where he is. To a lot of attack, I activated my.
If I happen to advise PM, I will tell him to tell everybody don't beg these people not to attack. Let them continue the attack. Attacking PM is actually somehow a deliverance to many Biafrans. Many people who were kind of, I'm talking out of experience, some of us were like, before, what would you believe on? Are you sure that what this person saying is true or not, and all that? But the more they attack people, attack PM rather, the more their people are, getting the answer they're looking for. Like, you want to know, you want to be sure of who to follow, who to believe. Once you hear them attacking PM more and more and more, it will get a point where your deliverance you will have self deliverance immediately. So the attack these people are making, they claim they're attacking PM, is good. They should not stop, because if they stop, people will still think that they are actually doing the right thing. But the more they attack, the more you know that they are totally different, out of line from anything freedom. Each time I listen to this kind of broadcast, especially when they keep on repeating that PM is a government agent, is a Tinubu. Imagine PM and Tinubu doing business. These people, they know how to insult people anyway. But the truth of the matter is that the attack is paying off. Some people may think that I'm just saying no. The attack, the more they attack PM, is paying off. Nobody should, if we and those foreign siblings should can, if they really mean good, they should stop advising them. In fact, let them continue. The only thing I will not like other people to do is to like sharing their video. You don't need to share the video or watching them. Allow them to keep on attacking. Or you can only listen to them when you want to analyze like what I'm doing now. You bring it and use it to explain to people, so that some of us, even though we all agree that they are lost sheep, but during that explanation and broadcast, more revelation will surface. So that's why it is good for us to discuss them, and we're discussing it not from angle of Biafran government in exile, because they are in a different level. Biafran government in exile is in a different level from what I'm doing. You understand what I'm saying? So, nobody asked me to. Nobody paid me. Nobody whatsoever. No matter. Just like what I'm doing is just like what every other normal season we do, or every as we all here, we come from different families, right? If somebody, if somebody rise against your house, your family, you don't need to wait for your siblings to fight for you. You will start from somewhere before your siblings will join. After all, you are the fault that you notice what is happening against your family. That's the somebody you have an intruder in your compound. Of course, what you do is to start engaging the person. It's either you engage that person physically or verbally. So that is how it should be. As a citizen of a country, definitely it's a country. So don't get it twisted. And these people, they believe that the more they attack PM, the more they feel they feel relevant. People start to listen to that, all that. That is delusional, and that is why I said let them continue. It is very good that they keep on doing what they're doing, keep on fighting the right people. You express yourself. What is okay? Richard said he should tell Peter B exactly what he told Ekwemadu. God bless you. Since what they're he's claiming now that he is the one that advised after advising Ekwemadu now finding himself where he is. Why don't you use that advice on Ifeanyi? Use it on what's it called? Like this Aurora said, Peter Obi. If anything, maybe if anything happened to people tomorrow, like they will say we want after supporting him, because all of them were obedient. From 80s, even Radio Biafra was preaching for to go and vote. Radio Biafra was preaching go and vote, go and vote, go and vote Peter Obi. We don't need to be teachers. Because if anything happened, if the reverse become the issue now, they will this guy will go that we told you that serve is due and come back to shame. They will use PM's program and stand all this while to do broadcast claiming what they did not. But there it is very obvious, very clear. In fact, they intensified the attack on PM. I'm talking about the US, not the Nigerians or anything. No. I'm talking about the so-called IWS members and the media warriors. They intensified the attack on PM simply because PM was against P2B's presidency, that she said no election and all that. Remember Lizzie, the Chakeleke. Remember her video? Remember what she said? Remember her attitude, everything? She called everybody names simply because of it. Today, she's not telling you that Nigeria cannot work. That if you continue this way, it is not going to work. Even area father, what is his name? Terrible. All of them are now, you know, making comment that goes in line with what PM have been saying before the election. That is why it is good for you to start making use of your own brain. Don't rely on any mushroom people trying to deceive you in the name they're making comments. After listening to a broadcast like what I'm doing now, don't make don't conclude from what I'm saying. You allow your brain to go to work to do from what I say so far. Hold it a bit, a bit of thought, just put it little and do your own individual research, and you now have the answer that will give you what you want. But they don't want to. They don't want people to pay attention to what I'm saying now. No, don't talk. Follow the instruction. Follow the last man stand.
Block industry, employ people, block molders. They went into work. I blocked thousands of them. Those who Tinubu assembled in Yoruba land, bought phone for them, create forum for them. Once
What this guy is trying to say is that he recruited people to attack you. That's what I understand from what he's saying. No, unless if I misunderstand him, but that's what I can capture. And he's not justifying it by telling that Tinubu also do the same thing in Lagos State, bought phone for them. If you ask them, mention 10 people that broadcast from Lagos State against what you claim that you are supporting. Mention 10 people, broadcasters. that broadcast from Lagos State that you know? Nobody. But all this in, and the funny thing is that they don't know that their videos that you make may be, may last for ages. And that thing that you said may not be reversed when you realize, or when you were being exposed. When you listen to your voice and what you said, that's what he hold Nigeria where he is today. Nigeria will on camera and say, "Yeah, I will buy this, I will buy this, I will buy it, and nothing will happen. Nothing will happen." He's recording himself, for not that people could, record him and all that. No, he's the one recording it, and he published it, just like what people are telling now. From Mazzagano's structure to DOS from DOS and some from now is DOS the final. When PM said, I will not take instruction from Mazzagano in DSS. These people said no, but you said you are his follower. You that is his structure cannot even listen to his instruction. Let me continue.
Ekperima tweet, they will take the link of Ekperima, share it in their forum, they will retweet it 10 times. He will be getting about 1,003, 1,005, 1,006. None of them are Igbo. None of them are Biafrans that are following.
My brother, did he say that are following PM? So this guy have levels of level.
They employed what Gowon said. If I know that Igbo people love money, I know everybody love money now. Even Fulani, they love money more than Igbo people. Don't you see what they are doing in the zoo?
Wait.
So who is Mazen Namdekan? So we should forget about him, isn't it? Akoya?
I think I need this. I don't know if I have to go back or forward.
You see what we're saying? Armed struggle. When they confront him, he thought that he confirmed that he lead and look at. They employed what Gowon said. If I know that Igbo people love money, I know everybody love money now. Even Fulani, they love money more than Igbo people. Don't you see what they are doing in the zoo? They said if we know that in the Igbo love Rego, he would have not spent one bullet to fight the war of 1967. He would have paid an Igbo man to go and bring Ojukwu and kill him for him. They found that mantra on Ekperima. They used him. We came here, we talked to some of you. Now, this guy is fake.
Now, I want you to let's make use of our brain here. Remember, they always say that PM is Fulani man, that he's not an Igbo, right? Remember? How many of us remember that they always say that PM is not an Igbo man? And the same person that is telling that PM is not an Igbo man is now telling you what Ojukwu said, sorry, Gowon said, that you don't need to use money in midst of Igbo people. Give them money, they will strike each other. So you yourself from the northern part will not fight. They will do this. He said that merchant is what they use now. They now find that on the phone. That is to tell you, they are now telling you that I hope what I said makes sense to you. I hope you understand what I'm saying. If they normally say that PM is not an Igbo man, fine. That he is a Fulani person. Some of them even use where PM was dancing in a dance of a Fulani with a stick, having fun one certain time. We all love that. They attach that picture and make a comment that he's not an Igbo man, that he's dancing his traditional dance. Okay, the same person that is telling you that Gowon said that what you know about the people, that had it been that he knew that 1967, that he wouldn't have waste money going for war and all that. He would have just used part of the money and paid Igbo man to buy Ojukwu for him, and then everything will be settled. That's what they find now on PM. They are now using PM to buy, I don't know, maybe him or he did not mention. But what I want you to capture here is that They are not telling you that since they said that PM is not an Igbo man, and from what they're saying today and what he said here is that Oju go on to say that you have to give money to throw money in the midst of Igbo people. They will start misbehaving and fighting each other, and you don't need to go war with them. They can do the war internally for you. That means from him, he said that that's what they are not doing in the IPB using PM. By saying that statement alone, have contradicted what they have told you in the past that PM is not an Igbo man, because since they are not, since he's not saying that that's what they're using PM to do, that is to validate that PM is an Igbo man from the same people that are telling you that he's not an Igbo man. Because for him to be an Igbo man, I'm using his word, I'm quoting him. For you to be an Igbo man, you have to use an Igbo man for you to find an Igbo man, you have to use an Igbo man to find an Igbo man. Now they are fighting IPOB using PM who happen to be an Igbo man. I don't know if you are following what I'm trying to say, because they always that's the one thing with lies. If you notice that somebody is lying, all you need to do is to pay attention. Keep on put your mind on whatever the person is saying. Read them word by word. When you are picking those words, of course, you arrive to a conclusive part, a conclusive point that what they are saying is like. And once you present it to them, the only thing they will do is to causing they'll start shouting and making noise without any sensible thing coming out from their mouth. Okay, let me continue. I have many comments. To be honest, do we need to go through it now before we continue? Okay, let me start from Freeman. Okay, George said, I have been missing your live broadcast. We move. Okay, but you always I have noticed that George. Okay, if you want to make a comment, you always type 042, and I have asked you in the past, what do you intend, what do you mean by that? What do you intend by, what is your intention? 042, then you make a comment. 042, 042. Are you, even if you want to tell me that you're from any states, you don't need to keep on putting number. You better change your name as 040. Don't even put John Okefi here. You can only put 042. Then I will know that 040 is talking. Or 042 child, 042 son, something like that. 042 son of Biafra. You know that kind of thing. It makes sense. Then Freeman said, or is it because of what Simon Ekpa said when Biafran threw egg on him? Forget about what you have said then and all that. It doesn't make any. When you are not when you are not part of the system, you can say anything. You understand? And what matters to what is your faith? Since they did not say what we have said, between the two of them and who is now fighting for that one? Diana said they always block their comment section because they know that people will insult them. Yeah, that is another proof that they are lying. Armstrong said that is how low their reasoning the reason is. They think the leadership is IPOB. That is it. Uh, Richard said I Isa Oba, I think you're talking about the guy in the Biafran advisors. Shuka Chuka said, I'm watching from Lagos. Okay, nice to hear that. Oh, hey, Biafra. Anthony Mejor. Hello, my brother. Good day to you. I'm sure say yes. Okay. We have Nkemuling. Aizoba is crying because his salary in IPV Nigeria have been destroyed completely by Mazes Amonekpa PM. Have he, let me take it again, completely by Mazes Amonekpa have. Okay, let me not. He will cry out blood from his eyes. If you allow him to continue this way, maybe he will, my dear. Armstrong said they are foolish to say that. They are foolish to say that. Did they not know that Simon was once heading the Igbo Union in Finland? No, that one is there. Don't discuss that one. Do you want what are you talking? Do you want to spoil this propaganda? No, they will tell you that his surname is a Fulani. Imagine if you are not able to reason on our own. Anthony Mede said, watching from Chile, South America. Have a great day, my brother. Nice to hear that. Nice to hear that. Thank you for watching. How is your weekend going? I hope everything is all right with you.
This guy is fake. Onyendu sibling, I will talk about him. Not now.
Fine.
He sent me a message not to attack Ekperima against his own brother. He prefers his brother to be where he is. To a lot of attack, I activated my block industry, employ people, block more.
I activated my block industry, employ people to do what? To do the attack. After telling you, after they told you not to attack, and you're attacking for the sake of the person. Yet the person said don't attack, and you're attacking. Fine. Had it been that you're attacking for positive meaning, maybe something meaningful, then I will say that your stubbornness is paying off. But here, you are provoking Biafrans. I'm not when I mean what I mean by Biafra, I mean Biafran citizens, not anyone US, anyone in the key position. No, I'm talking about you know normal civilians, people who are not even in leadership or whatever. They are Biafrans, people that you're supposed to be fighting for. You are provoking them. Yes, what you are doing is jeopardizing the freedom of Mazin and Madokan. At the same time, what you are doing is giving support to the enemy, because most of you have used this kind of this propaganda to name, to call the names of some of the ESN commanders on Radio Biafra, and what happened to them is a story that we will tell in due time, because I don't think all those things that you guys have done will just slip off like that. I don't think.
They went into work. I blocked thousands of them. Those who Tinubu assembled in Yoruba land.
Okay, now I understand what he's talking about. He's talking about that he blocked many people. Biafrans, when Biafrans go after them, they started blocking people. Okay, now I understand what he's talking about.
Bought phone for them, create forum for them. Once Ekperima tweet, they will take the link of Ekperima, share it in their forum, they will retweet it 10 times. He will be getting about 1,003, 1,005, 1,006. None of them are Igbo. None of them are Biafrans that are following Ekperima.
So, my people, we all are non-Biafrans. We all are from, I don't know where he would like us, maybe Zambisa, maybe Medibu, maybe Zaria. You can see the line that none of them, not even 2%, none, this people.
They answer Biafran name. We warn our people that this guy is a criminal. Attack on from even our own members in the house. In this Surani join this thing. They attack me all over the place. I'm one of the first people who exposed Ekperima. Go and check it, 2020, I think, around June, or 2021 around June. Go and check it. Everything is here now. Does internet lie? That time, they fall for the guy. It took them 6 months of us, constant calling our people, exposing him before they realize Ekperima Wonyush. By then, not manage his damage. Not the go involved in the kidnap problem.
Way too low, my brother.
Hey. He's the first person. We impose sentiment all over the place. Bukoshirun, I know why here. Why I'm saying this not touch some of these things is because the reason why Igbo race are in a total mess now is because history we are bound. We cannot, if you know what happened to your parents, if you know what happens to your race at a time, I am telling you, you will be taking precaution that this thing is what killed my dad. This is what destroyed our Igbo race. You be careful dabbling into that. But because they banned all this history, so you will not know that even the killing of Biafrans, destroying Igbo business in Lagos, did not start today. It has happened 1967, 1960, 1970, with this Yorubas.
Okay, my people, we don't need to continue playing this guy video. I think we need to end it here because what when you keep on listening to him, like now what is the comment that you want to make now, when you if you join if this is where you start watching the program, you will think that this guy is making points. Then next thing that he will say will shock you. So that's not he's not reliable. You can't trust him. My brother, whose voice is this? Okay, I will for the sake of your question, I will flip the camera so you know who is talking. Okay, I intentionally don't want to show his.
Our people would have been very careful going to Lagos and invest. But they banned those histories, so you will not have any recall or any connection that investing in this place, they will use it to be, carrot stick approach. Carrot stick approach. If you're looking at it, on that dangle into your face, you'll be looking at it. But you all the no. Take the carrot now, they will tie your hand. Use the stick to use carrot approach. The tangle just around your nose and mouth. But to reach it, you can't get it. And look at Igbo people today. They want to push us in a way we become a coward that we, with religion, they weak your mind. You can't react on anything. And they have succeeded in doing that.
Like I said,
Now,
you have seen his face. So guys, we are going to call it off now. We have spent how long? 1 hour 27 minutes 25 seconds. So we are going to call it off now. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Before you go, please, if you have not liked this video, please do so. Hit the like button. We are not going to be live again today, so we will tomorrow because fundraising will commence in a couple of time. So please like this video before you go. Then I said many of them are going to collapse on December 22nd when Biafra will be declared by the PM Samuel Ekpa and his Biafran government team. Biafran government SI team with Biafran delegate okay, digitalizing all over the world. Okay, dignitaries. Okay, sorry about that. I misread it. Different dignitaries all over the world. In the first convention that happened last year was like a joke. When PM announced that, it was like just just how is it possible? How will it be? My dear, I really enjoyed that, because the waves of that conference, this coming one will be times 100 because people know what they enjoyed in the first one. Is it now that you want people to start bookish way? No, this one will be very very modernized. Anamaka, 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 Anamaka. Thank you so much. Let me not waste much of our time. Thank you. Please, like I said, hit the like button, like this video, and see you again tomorrow. We are not going to be live again tonight. Please prepare yourself for the fundraising. It is very, very important. Don't shy away for your rights. do the needful, do the right thing at the right time. Don't wait for anybody to push you, or don't wait for any herdsmen to start knocking on your door before you know that your money is what will protect the land and guarantee your life and your safety. Thank you so much and have a wonderful night. And happy weekend to you all. Bye bye for now.